In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss customer experience at We Buy Cars. Catch You Ask, We Answer, Audi Q3 versus JQ J7, Badge versus Budget Showdown. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we dive into South Africa's incredible motorsport legacy, meet racing legends, and see iconic machines come to life at Passion for Speed. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Facelifted and stylish, Hyundai Tucson lands in South Africa. Volkswagen celebrates top-performing dealers at the annual Grand Prix Awards ceremony. Safety first, Continental travel tips for Easter holidays. Enviro Automotive announces the arrival of South Africa's first fully electric 4x4 and 4x2 pickup, the Radara RD6. Lexus GX 550 ups the off-road ante. Dunlop Bonanza Kyalami. This Saturday marks a pivotal moment for Dunlop Racing as the Kyalami circuit hosts the national and regional Extreme Festival presented by Coca-Cola. Gates open at 7 on Saturday with tickets available at Kyalami's entrance or via CompuTicket. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.